Look at that, look at that. This drink is freaking wild. Watch. Ice. You come behind that with candy. Oh, Sky, what are you doing? You're gonna do? You're just gonna drop in like a handful of watermelon, Sour Patch Kids? No. No. That's a lot. But this how she did the drink, okay? Because we found this on YouTube. Her name is Drinks with Goody. And then she come behind with some Country Time pink lemonade. Now, she didn't really show her putting this in, but she put it in, and it looked kind of thick, so I just matching the candy. Then she come behind that with some Hennessy, because why wouldn't Hennessy go with this? Tell me. Haters? Yeah, your little hand in there? I need everything to break up, so don't stop blending until you hear stuff stop making noise. Guys, we're good. So now I take my cover off. Now I come in here. Ooh, Lord, look at my pour. Look at my pour. Hey, Goody, I know your pour wasn't like this, though, be honest. That's the perfect amount, too. Look at that, man. Boy getting good in my old age. Put that little cover on, stick it in. And we did that because hers was like that, she didn't leave it open. She had the cover off with the top removed off the lid. Then you come over here with your little mountain. Oh Lord, my liquid's so soft, but he's probably gonna sink. And there you have it, Sour Patch Hennessy, homeboy. I know this got a lot of stuff in it. You going, what? 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 Okay, but guess what? There's no way this tastes bad. Just like I suspected. This thing is glorious. Now, as I taste this, I know there are a lot of ailments that come along with this, okay? And this will put you in the hospital with all kinds of illnesses, but this is damn delicious, all right? One sip, probably like 20,000 calories, but that's just the way it is, okay? This is what The Rock eats before his workout. Anyway, drink responsibly. Don't drink and drive. Stay tipsy. It's hard to be holding one of these and go and drink responsibly when it's loaded with candy, right? But guess what, Goody? My stuff loaded with candy too. Respect you. See, I love what you did here. Haters are going to hate, but never stop adding candies to your drink. Take it from me, okay? Later.